People can be identified by biological characteristics. Fingerprints and iris scans are probably the best known. However, an Italian study by the Istituto Italiano di Tecnologia suggests that we can also be uniquely identified by the way we look at things. In the study, 150 German and Italian adults were shown 700 images of natural scenes for 3 seconds each. A few weeks later, the test subjects looked at the images again. A heat map was then created showing where the subjects had looked during the first and second tests, one after the other. When the gaze patterns were averaged across all 700 images, the research team was able to identify almost half of the female and just under 2/3 of the male participants based on their gaze patterns. If only images from a single category were used, the identification rate dropped. Nevertheless, the gaze profile of a single image was sufficient to predict a person's identity better than chance. However, individuals who, according to self-reports, exhibited more personality traits typical of autism did not display consistent gaze patterns. Also, it is unclear to what extent the results can be applied to a dynamic, natural environment.